I love this thought. I want you to contemplate on this. You said it's just a matter of 25 to 30 minutes. I hear so many working professionals saying this that, ma'am, we don't have time to improve our English. What would you say to such people?
No, you can easily get time.
So every day at English Diary, whenever learners take sessions with a tutor, tutors write a message to the next tutor so that it's easy for us to remember. I was looking at what is the note for you, which was written by the previous trainer. And you know what was the note? Note was that she's already fluent. She would enjoy the session if you could teach new phrases or words to her. And meeting you, I can see that was 100% right. Yes. Hello.
Hello. Shall I call you Shruti?
My lord, yes, that's my name. Good evening, Miss Divya. How are you?
I'm fine. You seems to be like my daughter's age.
Wonderful. Then how can you say that? How should I call you? You should definitely call me by
And
name.
you have got an infectious smile, you know?
Oh, thank you so much. I'm pleased to hear that. Now the evening is ours. We are going to spend good 30 minutes together. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very much excited. It was like, butterflies in the stomach.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to
Yeah.
thank this English
Finally,
Diary
I can hear you. Oh, you want to thank English Diary platform. All right.
Yeah.
Give some
What is that?
reasons.
Yes, sir. English Yari. English is a language, yes, which everybody wants to learn. And Yari is that camaraderie which English tutors and learners they have during the session.
Oh, wow.
And that platform is like where every learner wants to speak, and every learner once this Titus sir told me that once every learner is an hesitant learner, but when you start speaking, you become a confident learner.
Without a shadow of doubt.
Yeah,
Yes, that's
right.
true. Wonderful. The moment I got to know that we are going to have a session together, so the first thing I asked is, okay, share some recordings of her. I want to see how she is, how she performs, and what's the status. So I got the testimonial video. My lord, I was star-stuck. That okay, I'm gonna meet her. Now the expectations are high.
So
Yeah.
I should, live up to your expectation. Let's see.
Oh, when I say expectation, it means expectation of hearing a lot of things from you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Super wonderful. And your smile has already made my day. You told me my smile is infectious. I would say ditto. All right. So now that you've taken so many sessions on the platform, I was looking at the number and like she has spent significant time on learning this language. How does it feel when you look at that number flashing more than 300 sessions? What's the feeling?
Actually, I have never counted number of sessions, but the feeling which I have is, it's all the sessions were amazing. I don't want to miss any session. And I'm a doctor, I'm a pathologist by profession. So I can devote time for my passion. Now I'm 52. Yeah, it's 52 running. Okay. So whenever I think about
Who
my
told you
past,
you're 52? A sweet 16.
it's okay. But when I was in school, I normally speak like that. I did my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, and I'm proud of that. Few days ago, I was listening to Arnab on that Republic channel, and he told that he did his schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jabalpur.
Okay.
So when he can, made this word like, he speaks like Shashi Tharoor, I would say. So why can't I?
The motivation is real that, okay, I need to speak
Yeah.
as well. Yeah.
Yes. So I started this journey. It was an, serendipitous moment, I would say. I was just watching one spoken English session on YouTube, and suddenly I think it was you and Nand Kumar Gopalan sir.
Okay.
Okay, so you two are motivational speaker, or what can I say? Motivated me just by a glimpse. I think it was a live talk with you and Nand Kumar sir. And Nand
Okay.
Kumar sir is a magician. I would say he's a magician. I joined English sharing. I saw that video on I think 10th of on 11th of November. And
You remember the date precisely, my
yes,
lord.
no, it's not precisely. Yesterday, I asked Titus sir, Titus sir keeps each and everything on record. So I asked Titus sir, I think he's the best person. So I asked Titus sir, can you tell me when I started your session? So he told me it was on 13th of November, and I told you this adaptability. So he remembers each and everything. He's just, full of
Believe me,
knowledge.
I
And
have,
he has a book,
yeah.
he makes journal and book of every learner. And he has that dictionary, like a learner named A, B, C. So from Divya D, he will pick out that D. And he is so passionate. I can't tell you,
Yeah, for
And
sure. I believe we are blessed with insanely great
yes,
trainers.
yes.
When they come in the session, everybody has knowledge filled in. It's like pouring out of them,
Yes.
oozing out.
You know what I always tell to this Titus sir? Your sessions are like Black Friday sale. The first
Why?
click, Black Friday sale. Have you ever been to that?
Yeah,
The products they just sell in seconds.
yeah.
So
Hotcakes.
yes, when Titus sir opens the slot, and within fraction of seconds, your learners are there to book their slot.
Believe me, this feeling is the feeling every English Yari learner will be able to relate with. It happens, our tutors open the slots, and within no time, all slots booked. Learners are so crazy about these practice sessions, and I never thought that they can have this much affection for a tutor.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Nandkumar Gopalan sir, when I joined on 11th, and I got a call from supportive team without demo session. I have already paid that subscription without demo session, just by seeing that Nandkumar Gopalan sir. And I asked, I think it was Miss Ria from Calcutta at that time. It was from Calcutta. So,
Okay.
so I asked her whether you will be able to book my session with Nandkumar sir. So she said, I'll try, but I cannot commit this thing. So I kept on, calling up, please give me one session with Nandkumar sir. Please give me one session with Nandkumar sir. And I got
Believe
one
me.
session. It was like,
Uh,
it's a dream come true. Like it's for you also.
I love the way you managed it. Like for you as well. No problem. I'm already happy because that was the ultimate motive to give tutors and learners a space where they can shine and experiment. And your smile and the way, I think in 5 minutes of our conversation, you have named Titus sir and Nun sir so many times. I'm sure they're gonna be really happy after watching this one.
And I think she is my friend, like Sudha ma'am.
Sudha ma'am, yeah, Sudha
She
Prabhakar,
is,
yeah.
repertoire. What is that? Repertoire of communication skill. No, she speaks like it. She in the first class she taught me hoity-toity and this spits and spans in a very normal, casual
Yeah.
way. And I kept on learning those words, and she speaks like a normal way.
True. I think that's the essence of communication. Speak it with ease that the other person doesn't feel that you are talking hi-fi English.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's what I can see. You use vocabulary words like butter. You don't even let people feel that I've flooded good words in the sentences. Let me present it. Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. So now that you've told me, the journey has been amazing. One thing I enjoyed is as well when I was looking at your dashboard was you've taken session with multiple tutors, diversified
Yes,
tutors.
yes.
Yes.
Madhav sir, he taught me, to each their own.
Yeah, to each their
Why?
own.
Because in the month of November, I live in Surat. Surat is a humid place. So I have my AC on, and I always wear this cotton type of cloth. And Madhav sir is taking class from Delhi, and she holds that cap and everything. So she tells me, he always told me,
He always.
yeah, to each their own.
Yeah.
Amazing.
You can say he was bundled up, at times when we put a lot of layers on ourselves, we bundle ourselves. Yeah. Because believe
Amazing.
me,
It's amazing. What
it's
should I say?
amazing. Oh, Did I just
Amazing.
send you this? I thought I'll not send you. Oh no.
Amazing.
Yeah, the
Amazing.
word is amazing, not amazing, amazing. Little
Amazing.
slight
Okay.
opposite. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now on, I will not send you. You have opened your chat box. That's cheating.
It's not cheating.
No, I don't like to disturb the flow. I said, I was in a awe moment where you were sharing the feedback. And I love such sessions where you get to hear the feedback, and that too in a raw form. Because you are not here to please anybody. You share what
Yes.
you like. You can also say anything bad as well, believe
Yes.
me.
Yes. Yes.
Fully
I
prepared
know
I
that.
am.
But I don't have any bad thought about any tutors, anything about English, Yari.
The moment I read that you are a pathologist, first question in my mind was, I don't think her profession wants typically English
Yes.
communication. So,
Yes.
what was the
It doesn't.
deep desire?
Actually, I used to be, English news reader
Oh,
when I was in school. So
okay.
it always, motivated me, to speak English. But since 1992, I'm in Gujarat. So here, I don't need English. I just need Gujarati. So I learned Gujarati instead of English. So there was a gap, 20, 25 years. Um, so it was like somewhere in the back of my mind. Whenever I get time, I will need this. It was my passion to speak English, to be, a motivational speaker. I would say, like, I want to motivate other students, learners.
Wow.
Just follow your passion.
True. That's really wonderful. A lot of people, they have this thought in their brain, we learn communication, but they don't take action. And you've taken that. You're like, no, now I have to improve. Yes.
I have two daughters, and they are convent educated, but they hardly speak English.
You're like, learn from mama now. Mama is pro at English now.
Yes, yes. Now,
Yes.
now they are saying, Mama is, learning each day new word.
Do you share the words with them?
Yes, yes. Sometimes they know, and sometimes when they don't know, they will just search on Chat GPT, and then they let me know, this is common, no, but they don't know. They're very clever.
Yeah, little do they know that you're their mother.
Yes,
You're ahead of them.
yes.
Yes. Oh, this reminds me of my journey. I'll tell you, my mother was also a working professional when we were growing up. So, when I started this profession of speaking and teaching English, at times she used to sit in my room just to hear what I'm saying. Yeah, and note down certain words. Hey, which word you were saying? You were doing this action. What does this action mean? And I was like, wow, she's learning. And I think
Yes.
you're proving that right, that learning has no age.
No,
Yes.
yes.
Wow. But for that, you need to be open for feedback as well. And I can see
Yes.
that in you clearly. Yeah. Is this because of the profession you are in that you're always open to feedback, or that's in general innate habit of yours?
Yeah, it's an innate habit of mine.
Oh, that's good. Visory comes to you easily. Yes.
I would just say, Nand Kumar sir told me about my daughters when I told him that my daughters are also doctor. So he told me an apple doesn't fall far away from the tree.
Yeah, apple doesn't fall away from tree.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's
yes.
like sometimes, my father used to speak good English, and my mother-in-law was an English teacher.
Okay, this was in blood too.
But I don't think my husband doesn't speak good English. But my mother-in-law was English teacher. But yeah, sometimes, I don't know how it happens. Like, it's an
Yeah,
innate. Yeah, my father was, good. He was a good
yes.
English. Yeah,
Yeah, so you're carrying that legacy forward. Yeah,
I don't know.
you
He
are.
was
You're
much better
speaking
than
well.
me.
See, I think comparison is good, but you should always uplift yourself. And I can see you being poised. That's a very good quality. I rarely see people who have hold on their pace of speaking. Either they're speaking fast or they're speaking slow. That
This,
doesn't match.
no, this habit, what shall I say? Credit goes to Lena, your tutor.
Your tutor. Okay.
Lena, because I started when I started this journey, and I used to speak very hastily,
Hmm.
without pausing, then Lena used to, she made me like, stop, now speak. Stop, now speak.
Power of pause.
Power
Yes.
of power. Yeah, this is your last, this YouTube short, which I have seen.
My lord, okay. I have somebody who is a language paglu. Yeah, wants to learn more and more. Cool.
Yes.
Since I was asking you about your profession, there was a reflection that I had in my brain that if you're a working professional, you must learn how to communicate, despite of your profession, because you are a professional, and directly or indirectly, communication helps you, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Do you feel you can connect with
Euphemism,
people?
euphemism.
Yes.
This Nankumar sir told me, whenever you meet some patient and you are delivering report of diabetes, so you will not going to tell that patient you are diabetic, you should do this. It should be like sugar
Hmm.
coated. Your reports are referring to your sugar level are high, so it should be sugar coated. So yes,
Yes,
you have written
that's true.
something. Yes, correct.
Okay, I was not supposed to write. My bad.
Credit,
Because
credit, credit.
yeah,
How to
there are two
pronounce?
words. One is credit and the other is credit. Since it's E takes little sound. Credit,
Credit,
quick sound. Credit. Yeah,
credit,
yeah.
credit. Okay,
Yes, a little quick.
credit.
You love to look at your mistakes, my lord. There are two kinds of learners. One, I tell my tutors, do a patch test. How, as a doctor, you would understand. Firstly, you apply anything on your hand. If it suits your hand, that means it will suit your skin as well. Yes. So, similarly, we tutors at English Harry do this test. We try to rectify learners. If their facial expression drops, that means they are not taking feedback nicely. If there's a twinkle in the eye and their face uplifts, that means they are up for feedback. And I think that is seen in you. You're like, okay, in full spirits, feedback taken and noted. Right?
Yes.
Wow, that's really cool to hear. And I'm so happy that I got a chance to have a conversation with somebody who's equally passionate for conversations.
Yes.
Yeah. How many sessions do you take in a day? You take every
Uh,
day?
yes. It's like once. Previously, I used to take 5 or 6 sessions a day. In the month of November and December. Yeah, I completed 60 sessions in 1 month. That supported
Okay.
team, I think Swati was there or Riya was there. I don't remember the name. She told me, ma'am, we are giving, 1 month extra. I told her, I don't want month, I want sessions. Because,
I can
you know,
complete as many sessions as possible you give and I can finish them. Yes.
yeah.
That's
And
the
it was
spirit.
at that time, it was my guilty pleasure, I would say, because I used to
Mm.
take sessions during my lab timing. Now I have stopped that thing. Now I take sessions from home.
Oh, that's better. What would your colleague say? Is that okay? She has
Yeah.
forgotten her work. Is it? Did you get anyone like that saying,
No,
"Ma'am, what are
I
you
never, I
doing?"
never told, I never told this thing to my colleagues that I am taking this session. Because otherwise, they will complain. Yeah, this is your lab timing. How can you report? This is professional secrecy, I should say.
That's the beauty of profession that you deal with. That yeah,
Yes.
I can hold off my time
Like
beautifully.
just 25 or 30 minutes. Yeah, it's easily good.
I love this thought. I want you to contemplate on this. You said it's just a matter of 25 to 30 minutes. I hear so many working professionals saying this that, ma'am, we don't have time to improve our English. What would you say to such people?
No, you can easily get time. It depends upon your priority. You have to prioritize your work.
Yes.
It's like I am very much, excited whenever there is an English session, so I can, leave behind all other work. So it's prioritizing your goals. And for me, yeah, English learning is on the top. So I have
Okay.
dedicated,
That's on my hit list. I have to
yeah,
do it. Hook or
I have to
crook,
do
I
it.
will do it.
Yeah,
Yeah. No, that's very well. And I think, as you said, that if it's your priority, you can do it. The other day, one of my friends told me that, Shruti, if somebody is not calling you, that simply means you're not in the priority. Yeah. Had you been in the priority list, people could have got time or spared some time from their schedule. And communication is the same. Yes.
yeah.
Okay, you've said all goody things. Let me ask you something serious now. Any session that you didn't enjoy that much, comparatively?
I don't think so. But yes, then I used to take sessions from my lab or from my that consulting room. Sometimes tutor might ask certain questions, and that I may not be able, I might not be able to clarify all those detailed questions. So then I
Oh,
stopped taking sessions from
all
my laboratory
right.
premises.
Got that because of the setup they used to ask questions.
No, because I have a desktop and computer, and my staff used to do work. Like, and whenever I take sessions, it's all around. You cannot say everything if people are, roaming around. Yeah, ma'am, there is a
Around.
report, you have to sign. So then I
Yeah.
stopped that thing. So it was my mistake.
Hmm.
Yes, yeah, I used to take sessions from the lab. Now I stopped.
No. I wouldn't say it your mistake, but I take it as a learning feedback that we'll ensure that we pass on the message to the tutors where they can sense the room and read it
Yes,
right.
yes,
Yes, because this is also a very good skill. You see which category of learner you're dealing with and whether the learner is in the right surrounding to speak about that or not.
yes.
Yeah,
Sometimes it happens.
yeah, but it's
In
very
your
good.
English Yari session notes, there are certain questions which need some detailed answering. And if somebody is, someone is around you, or if he or she is making noise, we cannot have that, sense of,
Yes,
100%.
connectivity.
Yeah,
Yes, true. And you're always cautious. There are
yes,
two thoughts going up in your head. Number one, what my tutor said. Number two, if I say something, how would this person perceive?
yes,
Yes. So you were in a dicey situation, hence you couldn't answer your best.
yes,
No,
yes,
but that's very good. Now you're in your comfort zone. It's better talk
yes,
at home.
yes.
Let the walls
Now I have,
listen your secrets. Yeah. Are there any secrets though? Or no?
no, no.
No.
I'm like you. That is. Um,
An open
who
book.
wear the open book, who wear the heart on their sleeves.
Heart on the sleeves. Oh my god. Okay.
Kaustubh sir. This is, Kaustubh sir.
I'm loving it. You don't just remember the words or the phrases, you also remember who taught you these phrases.
Yes.
Yes. So every day at English Diary, whenever learners take sessions with a tutor, tutors write a message to the next tutor so that it's easy for us to remember. I was looking at what is the note for you, which was written by the previous trainer. And you know what was a note? Note was that she's already fluent. She would enjoy the session if you could teach new phrases or words to her. And meeting you, I can see that was 100% right. Yes. That's super cool. I was thinking I can get some spice out of you, but you're saying everything is good. You're already a doctor. Had you not been into that profession, I would have asked you, come join us as a tutor someday.
I would love to join as a tutor. Why? Because it will make me confident. And if you are presentable, and if you can ask questions, if you interrogate, so it makes you confident. So
100%.
yes,
Confidence is a result of repeated actions, they say.
yes,
Yeah, so whatever you're doing, you're telling your brain subconsciously, I am capable of doing it. I can hold on the conversation. Here's a task that I have for you. Okay,
yes,
try it in the next session and then you can tell me. Usually, it's a tutor who takes the session forward, right? That's when the progression happens. For one or two sessions, try to take the hold of conversation in your hands. You drive the session, you initiate the conversation. Take it differently. You can either ask questions or keep it forward, and let's see how you do that. Yes, possible. Can you
yes,
take
sir.
that challenge with you?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is serendipitous meaning? What does this?
Yes.
Sudha ma'am told me this serendipitous is the name of place where the king gave challenges to his three daughters, and every time the daughters met that challenge, it was a happy ending. That this is
Oh,
serendipitous, like when you accept challenges in
and
happily.
then yes, I didn't know the story though, but that's
Sudha ma'am,
good.
Sudha ma'am told
Sudha
me.
ma'am told you the story. That's good. So when you interact with different tutors, there are some learners at English Carry as well. They feel, how will I learn from different tutors? What would you say? How
I
is
would
it?
love to. I would love to interact with different people, because each and everybody has this repertoire of knowledge, or whatever I can say, and everybody is different. Like if I name the tutors, all are different. All everyone, like Titus sir, he always teaches life lessons. No, he will make you like Vivekanand, Swami Vivekanand. It's a good part,
Yes.
along with learning,
Yeah, a lot of wisdom he has, not just because of the age, but also experiences. Because of the platform limitation, of course, he would not share the stories that he have had. But the best part about him is, if you talk to him, he would never make you feel small.
yes.
Yes, he loves
And,
to. They say confident people make the other person confident. They never
and
judge, and he
Nand
gives that.
Kumar sir, he's a magician. In real sense, he's a magician. He gives
Oh,
you tricks. Like you
yes.
just remember two-digit number, and then first digit multiply by two, and then multiply by five. And when you tell the answer, he will give you the right answer. And in this way, he'll teach you English.
Yes, that's
So
true.
it's a different. Everyone is different. And with Sudha ma'am, I gossip. We have what that Ambani family is doing, what that in English.
That's also a good part. Gossip in
Yeah,
English is helping you become fluent.
yes. So
Yeah,
each and everyone, to each their own. Yeah,
to each their own. Madhav sir, now even I
yeah.
remember.
He seems to be strict, but he is not that strict.
Some people have this kind of facial expression. You can't
Yes,
change that.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
I've had sessions with him. I would tell him, I would request you to smile a little. He said, Shruti, in general, I'm like this.
Yeah.
one day a learner told that he seems to be little strict. I said, have a conversation. You'll get to know he's not.
Not.
Yeah. But
Hmm.
wow, what a journey. I was thinking that if I write anything in the chat box, your eyes would be up there. So I better
Please
not write in
write,
the chat box.
but please write so that I can know. Please write.
Super. Can you pronounce this word for me once?
December,
Now it's perfect. November and December. While we were speaking, it became November, December.
November, and
Yes.
December.
November and December.
Yes,
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 that's possible. Wonderful. Otherwise, I don't think. And the best part about you is, you say a sentence. If you find anything is wrong, the next sentence you check it and
yes,
rephrase it. That's beautiful. Rephrasing is best. It's like auto rectification mode is on in your brain now. Is
yes,
it?
yes.
Be it singular, plural. You once said he is, and then you turn to she is, and you
Yeah,
realize I
yeah,
was
yeah.
talking about a man,
Something.
and then you
Yes,
changed it
yeah,
to he. That's
yes,
very nice. I think these instances show that you're improving.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. I'm improving. Definitely, I'm
Yeah.
improving.
The other day, one learner asked that how growth is visible to others. I said growth will be visible to you first, then
Yes,
others.
yes.
Yeah. So do you see
And
that
that makes
visible
you
growth?
confident. Yeah.
Yeah. True. That makes you confident. Any feedback for us for the platform? What we can do? Tell me.
I think more and more learners should join your group. I think the
Oh,
age group between 18 to 25, you should hit that age group because uh, age group like 50 and above, they are just, they are doing all this for passion. They don't need job. They don't need any interview call. But the age group, which is like applying for any job, you should give a discount or any good type of, so that you can attract that age group. I think it's a
trying
vulnerable,
learning.
yeah, it's a
Yeah, it
vulnerable
is a vulnerable space, yes. Because the desire is indeed in them, and they have this thing. It's a do or die situation. Either you improve
yeah,
on your English, or someone else would shine out and take the position you are applying for. That's
yeah.
true.
And
That's
they have
nice.
to give interviews and they should be like a young generation. We should be on the top.